Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could fix if your Instagram is not saving your stories to highlights. So without any further delay, let's get started. In today's tutorial, you just have to follow up all the steps I'm gonna be showing you and then you'll good to go. So first of all, what you have to do is to simply open up your Google Play Store, or if you are using an Apple, you have to head towards App Store. Tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom and then head towards the search bar at the top of the screen. Search for Instagram. Here you just have to make sure that you are using the latest and up-to-date version of the Instagram, because updating the app usually fix all the bugs and glitches inside the app. Once you are done, you have to go back. You have to tap and hold the Instagram mobile application, and there you will see that there's a little icon bar. So from these options you have to head towards app info, and once you are on your Instagram app info, you have to simply head towards storage and cache, and you have to clear out the storage and cache for Instagram. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.